Hey riders, Grace here from Ride Adventures, coming to you from amazing Baja, where we just finished our first tour of the year, 1,500 miles of off-road magic. It was an incredible experience. And as a new adventure rider myself, I thought it would be helpful to create a video to talk about 5 ways to mentally prepare for Baja as a new adventure rider. Let's get into it. So first up, we have being flexible with unexpected detours. Out here, riding variables change constantly. For example, a few days before the tour started, a lot of rain came through Baja. And so on our first ride day, the Compadre Trail had enormous puddles that we had to navigate through. I don't know about you guys, but I have not had a lot of experience riding through big puddles. So I was a little nervous and definitely struggled a bit, as did a lot of the other people we were riding with. So keeping in mind that Baja can have those changes, you need to be mentally prepared to go with the flow and to just tough it out. Yeah, it will extend your riding day maybe if you have to take the time, but in the end, you're gonna still have the great experience, you're gonna learn, and you're gonna get tougher mentally. Second, we have being mindful of exhaustion. As a new adventure rider, you're gonna get tired faster. I know I definitely do. I had a day where I hopped on the Tenere 700 after riding the CB 500 for a few days, and it wore me out. I ended up having to cut my off-roading time short and take the tarmac back to Cerritos and chill out the rest of the night. It's just a hazard of this sport. So have those days, or maybe you take an easier route. Maybe you cut your day short, maybe you just take highway. Either way, your mental preparation here is going to be being honest about how you feel physically so you don't make a mistake when you're tired. Third, we have learning to trust your motorcycle. And this is actually a deeply personal one for me because being a new adventure rider after riding street for 11 years, it's been an experience. Sand in Baja, there's a lot of sand riding, and out there on those trails, your bike is going to be moving around and doing things that you might not be used to. I had a couple of moments out on the trail where I almost wiped out, mainly due to the fact that I just wasn't used to my bike moving around as much as it does out here. So I think one of the greatest things to know as a new adventure rider is your bike is built to do this, and making that adjustment ahead of time, being mentally prepared for the fact that your bike is going to do things different out here than it does on the street is where you can prepare yourself for Baja. Fourth up, we have staying present. Sounds really basic, but it can actually be really challenging in a place like Baja. There are all sorts of things running around out here that can kind of ruin your riding game. 1, being cows. 2 are topes or speed bumps. 3, not all drivers are great. And 4, there are constant changes in terrain. So if you're having those moments where you're not feeling like you're super sharp, that's your moment to take a break. Have some water, stop for a coffee, any of those things, just to get yourself back on track. Because out here, you need to be prepared for anything. I think the wraparound point here is that there's going to be moments of adversity when you're a new adventure rider, and the best thing you can do for yourself is stay calm and keep a level head. Mishaps happen. That's how we learn and grow as riders. I have had so many mistakes that I've made being new to this sport, and it's completely fine. That's how you get better and improve. So in those challenging moments, just know, take a deep breath. You're going to get through it. Stay confident, and most importantly, get back in the seat and enjoy yourself. I mean, this trip has been absolutely incredible. I literally just got off the motorcycle, completed 8 days of riding, and nothing feels better. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go have some tacos and tequila by the pool. Thanks so much for being here with me. I hope this was a helpful video. Like and subscribe our videos. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave one down in the comments section of the video. Thanks guys, I'll see you later. And as a new rider myself, not a new rider, fuck, god damn it. And having flexibility is super important. You're gonna get tougher mentally. Why are you laughing?